Ever scrolled through your phone, seen an ad promising easy investing, and thought, is this too good to be true? Specifically, have you wondered about StashAway? You've seen the sleek interface, the promises of diversified portfolios, and maybe even heard a friend mention it. But the nagging question remains, is StashAway a real company, or just another flash-in-the-pan app? Let's cut through the noise. In today's financial landscape, it's easy to get lost in a sea of promises. So, let's dive deep. First, let's address the elephant in the room, legitimacy. StashAway isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's a digital wealth management platform that's been around for a while now. They're regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which is a key indicator of their seriousness. This means they have to adhere to strict rules and regulations designed to protect your money. In Singapore, for example, they're licensed by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. In other regions, they also have appropriate regulatory oversight. But regulation alone doesn't guarantee a good company. We need to look at their track record. How long have they been operating? StashAway was founded in 2016, which, in the fintech world, is a decent amount of time. They've weathered market fluctuations and built a user base across multiple countries. This longevity suggests they're not just a temporary trend. Now, let's talk about what they actually do. StashAway is a robo-advisor, meaning they use algorithms to manage your investments. You don't have to pick individual stocks or bonds. They create diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. This approach aims to simplify investing, making it accessible to people who might not have the time or expertise to manage their own portfolios. One of the biggest concerns people have with any investment platform is the safety of their funds. StashAway uses custodian banks to hold your assets. This means your money isn't directly held by StashAway itself. Instead, it's held by reputable financial institutions that are separate from the company. This provides an extra layer of security. But let's be realistic. No investment is without risk. StashAway, like any other investment platform, is subject to market fluctuations. Your portfolio's value can go up or down. They're transparent about this, which is crucial. They emphasize the importance of long-term investing and diversification to mitigate risk. Another aspect to consider is their fee structure. They charge a percentage-based fee on your assets under management. This is a common model for robo-advisors. It's essential to understand these fees and compare them to other investment options to ensure they align with your financial goals. So, where do the doubts come from? Often, it's the sheer ease of use that raises suspicion. People are used to investing being complicated and intimidating. When something simplifies it, it can seem too good to be true. But technology has changed the game. Robo-advisors are leveraging algorithms and data to make investing more efficient and accessible. Furthermore, social media can be a breeding ground for misinformation. Negative reviews or isolated incidents can be amplified, creating a distorted picture. It's important to look at the overall consensus and consider the source of the information. Ultimately, whether StashAway is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing and you're comfortable with a robo-advisor, it could be a viable option. But always do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.